Meaning of edifice.
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 Edifice. The word edifice refers to a large and impressive building or structure, typically one that is considered to be a symbol of authority or power. The term can also refer to a complex system or organization that has been built up over time, such as a government or a corporation. Edifices are often associated with grandeur, stability, and permanence, and may be constructed using durable materials such as stone or concrete. Throughout history, edifices have played significant roles as cultural and architectural landmarks, serving as testaments to the achievements and ideals of their builders.